Hello Mzansi, on this episode of Nganele, Umazulu and her two daughters, Umaske and Umamtembu, went for a paintball range. It was really nice to see them laughing. Of course, things went south now when they had to discuss issues about Nhlanhla. So Umamtembu brought up the issue of Nhlanhla, and she says that her son disappointed her because he promised her a house, and now he is not sticking to his word. He's busy with his love life. So she said that she was busy sacrificing, doing people's laundry, washing people's underwears to get money so that he can go to school and have a bright future. But now everything has turned south, and he forgot the promises that he made to his mother. So moving along to Gcina. Gcina arrives home to update her family about the Makoti family meeting that they had the previous week. And I can say that Gcina comes from a well-structured family. They live in the suburbs, they well articulated. So Gcina's family suggested that Gcina's father should meet up with Sabelo's elder or representative, because Sabelo does not have a father, may his soul rest in peace, so that they can discuss Gcina and Sabelo's problems. According to them, women are very emotional beings, they cannot fix issues, so it is best that they have Gcina's dad and Sabelo's representative to come and discuss Gcina and Sabelo's issues that they have. So moving along to Sipho or Obama, he went to see his uncle once again. He's not feeling well about the whole DNA test of Lona's baby, or Lona refusing to do a DNA. So that's it about tonight's teaser about Nganele. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest. Bye bye.